Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again with Ilham on Ambar Ilham channel. Today I'm going to explain about how to create the highlight in Excel with the same color both of row and column, but for the intersection cell it has the highlight the same color with the background. This is the continuation of the unanswered the question from one netizen, and I will answer it on this video. I hope this video will satisfy and give the right answer for him. Okay, let me start. The first we are going to make the conditional formatting. For the row, I use the home and the conditional formatting here and the many rules here. This is the new rule, and use the formula to determine which cells to format, and I use the function cell equal row for row, and then open and close bracket equals cell open bracket double quotes and row double quotes and then close bracket, and I'll give the format cell here. I love blue, so I will give the blue here, and then press OK, and then applies to, we change the applies to from A1 until H364, and then press apply here, and then OK in here. As you can see, in here is highlight with blue, light blue. And then for the column, I use the conditional formatting once more and manage rules and choose the new rule here and use the formula to determine which cells to format, and then use the function equals column open and close bracket equals cell open bracket double quotes whole double quotes and then close bracket, and the format cell is I love blue, and I will give the blue here too, so choose here and OK, and then copy the applies to reference here, copy and then paste it in here, and then press apply and then press OK. Here's the reference for the column, and then for the intersection here I will use the conditional formatting once more and manage rules, and then new rule here, use a formula to determine the format, and the formula is we combine both of the row and the column function. For the row I use the AND function here, and row open and close bracket equals cell open bracket double quotes row double quotes close bracket comma, and then column open and close bracket equals cell open bracket double quotes and then col and double quotes and then close bracket, and then close bracket to add the AND function here, and the format cell, because I want the format cell has the same color with the background, so I will put no format cell in here. Just press OK, and then if I applies to I copy the reference in the bottom and then paste it on the upper here, and okay, and then stop if true condition, we should be give the sign in here and should be tick on the stop if true, and then apply and then press OK. If as you can see here is white background. If I put in here is a yellow background. So how to make it easily? So I will use the options, and then I will show the Visual Basic function here, how to show the Visual Basic format. There are no Visual Basic here, so I choose File, Options, and then add-ins, no add-ins, sorry, customize ribbon, and then tick the developer here, press OK, and then you can see the developer menu here, Visual Basic. Make sure you here have put the target.calculate here as the function for the automatic. If I delete this function target.calculate, and you can see here it's not automatic, so to make it automatic change, use the target.calculate like this. Yes, and then close, close, and then it will be automatically changed. Okay, I think that's all for today. If I move in here, it's background yellow, it's still yellow in here, white, and if I put in here, there's no area, so the area is inside this from A1 until H364, so there is no for the column here, so there's no sign only inside this area. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you again in our next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.